So okay, we have stated a proposition. The first part is AB is they are L related, and B are the elements in regular semigroup S. Okay, first part of this proposition is AB. This AB here it's L related if and only there exists A prime, and inverse of A belongs to VA, then B prime and inverse of B such that A prime A is equal to B prime B. Now second is for R related AB. Here AB is in the relation R if and only if. Again we have inverses. There exists an inverse A prime of A, B prime of B, via B such that A prime is equal to B prime. And third part is AB belongs to H class, means it's both in L and R class. Okay, belongs to H class if and only if there exists A prime and inverse of A, then B prime which is an inverse of B, such that A prime A, अब दोनों चीज़ें यहाँ सेटिस्फाई होगी, is equal to B prime B and A prime is equal to B prime. So this is the statement of proposition. Proof. Suppose the AB is A and B are related. Suppose pair AB belongs to L relation. They are L related. Now since we are in a regular semigroup, therefore inverse of A exists. Okay, because whenever A is a regular element, then inverse of A always exists. तो हमने चेक किया है ऑलरेडी उस चीज़ को. तो अगर A S में है और S रेगुलर सेमीग्रुप है तो इसका इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट होगा. सो लेट्स से सपोज इफ A प्राइम इज इनवर्स ऑफ B, तो B का भी इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट होगा, B प्राइम, दोनों का इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट होगा. मगर हमें ये प्रॉपर्टी एक्चुअली देखनी, A प्राइम A इज इक्वल टू B प्राइम. इनवर्स तो दोनों का एग्जिस्ट होगा बिकॉज दोनों रेगुलर सेमी ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स है जहाँ पर इनवर्सेस एग्जिस्ट हो रही है. तो फिलहाल मैं एक को फिक्स करूँगा, A प्राइम बिलोंग्स टू B ऑफ A. अब मैं दूसरा मुझे एक्चुअली कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, B प्राइम बिलोंग्स टू B ऑफ B, सो दैट A प्राइम A इज इक्वल टू B प्राइम B. देन A प्राइम A इज एन आइडेंटिपोटेंट. अगर ये है तो A प्राइम A इज एन आइडेंटिपोटेंट एंड इट इज इन LE. देन ये आपने ऑलरेडी दिखाया है. देन A प्राइम A, ये जो एलिमेंट है, इट इज एन आइडेंटिपोटेंट, इज एन आइडेंटिपोटेंट एंड इट इज इन LA. क्योंकि आपने वो एक रिजल्ट आपने किया, अगर AX A के बराबर होगा तो AX जो आइडेंटिपोटेंट है वो LA में होता है. ये आपने ऑलरेडी थ्योरम की है. और ये भी आपने किया है कि हर कोई R क्लास और हर कोई H क्लास आइडेंटिपोटेंट कंटेन करता है, एटलीस्ट एक आइडेंटिपोटेंट कंटेन करता है. तो R क्लास which is of B, R class or B. Okay, this R class, it contains at least one idempotent. Contains at least one idempotent. So it's by theorem, say idempotent E, it's by theorem, what's the theorem number? That's 2.3.2 by proposition 2.3.2 जहाँ पर आपने ये बताया था कि हर कोई आर क्लास और हर कोई आर क्लास कम से कम एक आइडेम्पोटेंट कंटेन करता है. तो ये जो आर क्लास है, बी का जो आर क्लास है, it also contains at least one idempotent. Suppose that idempotent is E, and it's from proposition 2.3.2. Now then by third, जिसके आपने तीन पार्ट्स किए, उसका जो सेकंड पार्ट है वहाँ पर जो इन्वर्स होता है ना, वो एच क्लास में होता है ना. एच क्लास अगर आपको याद होगा, एच क्लास है बी. नाउ बाय proposition 2.3.4, the second part of this proposition. Now by this proposition 2.3.4, now by proposition, I think it's theorem, it's not proposition, ये तो वहाँ का main result था वहाँ पर. It's by proposition, by theorem 2.3.4, second part of this theorem. उसके तीन parts हमने किए. The H class, जो H class आपके पास होगा, H class जो आपके पास होगा, what's H class is here? R A prime A intersection L intersection this R E intersection R E intersection R E. This H class contains an inverse B prime of B. Contains an inverse B prime of B with the property that ये जो आपका होगा B prime B, ये होगा इस आइडेम्पोटेंट के बराबर जो आपने लिया है यहाँ पर A प्राइम A. A प्राइम A. तो यह वहाँ पर एक्चुअली रिजल्ट ये है कि अगर दो H क्लासेस करे आइडेम्पोटेंट A और F कंटेन, तो H क्लास जो होगा वो B का इनवर्स एक्स्ट होगा वहाँ पर B प्राइम, साइड B प्राइम B इज इक्वल टू द फर्स्ट आइडेम्पोटेंट. इस तरह से सेकंड आइडेम्पोटेंट होगा B प्राइम. तो वो रिजल्ट अगर आप देखोगे आपको याद आ जाएगा. ये theorem 2.3.4 by part second. So but this B prime B and not only this, and जो इसका ये वाला होगा B प्राइम, ये दूसरे आइडेम्पोटेंट के बराबर होगा, वो E के बराबर है. उसकी हमें जरूरत नहीं है. That's B prime B, it is the first idempotent, that's your A prime A, and B prime, it is the second one जो E है, E के बराबर है. I think this should be L of L class होना चाहिए. So let me see that theorem first. So it's R A intersection L B, okay, and second one is R A intersection L A intersection R B, L A intersection R B. So there is I think so this is not H class, it's the intersection of two R classes. So one of them must be, I think this one must be S. It's L A prime actually. It's not R. इसकी ये शायद मिस्टेक है यहाँ पर. It's L. It's L here, not. कि आपका जो A prime A है ना, वो है ना L A में, जो आपने इससे पहले जो पेज में लिखा था. A prime A is L related to A. तो ये है L A prime A intersection R E, ये आपका H क्लास है. It's not R A prime A. So by that theorem you had this. So thus we have obtained this result: B prime B is equal to A prime A, and we obtain more that B prime is equal to E. B prime is equal to E. So that means this proves the first part. Now it's not the converse of first. That's the direct part of first one. Now we prove its converse part. So conversely assume that assume that conversely assume that there is an element A prime inverse of A such that A prime A is equal to an inverse B prime of B such that B prime B, they are equal for some A prime in V of A means set of inverse of A and B prime in V of B. Suppose ये true है, आपको प्रूव करना है A और B क्या है, L related, they are L related. Then this you have seen this since A prime is in VA, so that means A prime A is equal to A, so then A prime A is equal to A. एक तो ये आपके पास आ जाएगा और सेकंड आपके पास B के लिए आ जाएगा, B prime is equal to or you can say this thing, use a prime here, it's B prime B is equal to B prime B is equal to B. So this gives, by one of our theorem, this gives A prime AX, it's L related to A. Okay, A prime is L related to A, not A prime A prime. Okay, A prime A actually हमें दूसरी इक्वेशन यूज करनी पड़ेगी, not this one. Okay, let's write here both the equations for inverses. Okay, so A prime A equal to A, B prime B equal to B, and this A prime is equal to A prime, then B prime B prime is equal to B prime. So then this A prime A, it is L related to A. A prime A is L related to A. This gives A prime A belongs to L class of A. It's L related to A prime A. And second we have B prime B. And B prime B belongs to R class, not L class of B. L class of B. First one is in L, second is also in L. Okay. That means this A is L related to A prime A, and B prime B is, this is L related to B, which implies A is L related to A prime A, but B prime B is same as A prime A is L related to B. Now let's apply the transitive property. This means A is L related to B by transitive property, because L is equivalence. So that means the pair AB, it is in the relation L. तो इसी तरह से आप इसका सेकंड पार्ट भी प्रूव कर सकते हो. That follows on similar lines. Second part. Now the last part of this theorem, part 2, it follows on similar lines as part 1. Part 2 follows on similar lines as part 1. Now last part. So in the last part we assume that AB, they are H related. AB belongs to some H class, they are a relation H, and let's take an element A prime in V of A, that we can always choose. Then again since AB, since AB belongs to H relation, which implies that AB, it belongs to L relation intersection R relation. So AB is in R relation. So this gives AB is in R relation and A prime is inverse of A. So this gives, as we have seen in the part 1, this gives that A prime A, okay, this gives that A prime, sorry, A prime belongs to L class of A. A prime belongs to नॉट एल आर क्लास ऑफ, ये आर के लिए ये रिजल्ट है. तो वो आप रिजल्ट आप देखिए, वो प्रपोजिशन जो हम यहाँ पर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आर क्लास ऑफ ए. बट आर क्लास ऑफ ए, दिस आर क्लास ऑफ ए, this R class is same as R class of B. Why? Because A and B are related here. They are related. इसको आप लिख सकते हैं because A is R related to B. So their R class are same. A prime belongs to RA as well as in RB. And A prime A. And A prime A जो होगा वो L class में होता है. That's L class. It is in L class of A, but A and B are L related. That's same as L class of B, because they are L related. Now you apply the theorem. So we have idempotents in the intersection. So you can write this as so this gives the idempotent. The first idempotent is A prime. It is in RA intersection LB. RA intersection LB, so that you can apply that proposition. And this one A prime A, it is in LA intersection RB. It is in LA intersection R. I think here it's LB or LA. Yes, it's LP. A prime. A prime. This is an A prime here. Cannot conclude this. This is so. How do we apply the proposition? For the proposition, we must have idempotent. That idempotent must be in some H class. कि H class में होना चाहिए वो idempotent. आपका जो idempotent है A prime contains an inverse B prime of B, so that A prime जो idempotent है ये है R class of A में, and it's also in R class of B. Okay. A prime is R related to A. Okay. It's also R related to B. So this A prime, this should be in. What's that proportion? Let me check that proportion again. In the proportion we have this RA intersection LB, that should contain the idempotent RA intersection LB. So here we have RA, but its intersection must be with LB. LB में A prime A है, LA में. Okay, LA में LA. This is in LA, not in LB. A is H related to B, so this should be in some H class. H classes are here RA intersection LB and LA intersection RB. LA intersection RB. आपको ये A प्राइम A के लिए करना है चाहिए. A प्राइम A के लिए. A प्राइम A किस में है? It's in LB. Is it in RA also or not? A prime A. A prime A. Okay, so this gives this A prime A. ये जो element है आपका, it is in it's in LB. At the same time, this element should also be in RA. तो आर ए में आ जाएगा ये किसी तरह से, आर ए में, आर ए में अगर आ जाए तो देन वी कैन फाइंड द इनवर्स which is in H class, okay, which is in H class, and that is actually LE intersection LF, and that H class is actually L, okay, 5. इंटरसेक्शन में आना चाहिए दोनों एलिमेंट्स, ए प्राइम ए, एक तो ये भी आना चाहिए इंटरसेक्शन में, दिस, सो लेट्स चेक दिस, वी हैव आल्सो ए प्राइम इज इक्वल टू ए प्राइम, एंड फ्रॉम दिस दिस ए प्राइम ए इट इज इन एक्स ए एंड ए एक्स, okay. So this x is related to x here, but we want ax is r related, okay. Ax means a prime a, it is r related, it is in r class of a prime, okay. From that proposition, r class of a prime, and this r class of a prime, if it's equal to r class of a प्राइम ए तो है ही एल बी में, ओके, और ये आर, ओके, दिस इज आल्सो हियर आर क्लास ऑफ ए प्राइम, यस, एंड सेकंड वन आप ये यूज कर सकते हो, दिस वन, इट्स फ्रॉम दैट प्रपोजिशन, एंड दिस वन ए प्राइम, ये जो आपको यहाँ पर आया है, ए प्राइम किस क्लास में आया था, ए प्राइम, ये आया था आर ए में, ओके, आर ए में आया था ये, और यू कैन सी आर बी आल्सो, so let's write here RA, और A प्राइम के लिए आपको अब एक्चुअली L क्लास चाहिए, तो आपके पास ये है A प्राइम A इक्वल टू A, तो हाउ डू यू ऑब्टेन द L क्लास? From that proposition it's XA means A prime A, not this, okay, we want it's also it's in RA, so we want now L actually, L के लिए XA not AX, for this L can I obtain something from this? Now this here A prime, it is in L class of A, okay, yes, L class of A prime, so this belongs to also L class of A prime, this one. So this idempotent and this one, they belong to the intersection. Now we can apply the proposition by proposition, and what's the number of the proposition? It's the same proposition, 2.3.4, the second part of this proposition, 2.3.4 part second. We can find the inverse. There exists an inverse, an inverse B prime belongs to B such that this B prime it is in H class, LE intersection LF actually, LE intersection RF, so LE is here the idempotent first, that's A prime, intersection R the second idempotent, that's A prime A. वहाँ पर आप अगर आप देखोगे वहाँ पर था LE intersection RF, अगर आप उस प्रपोजिशन को देखोगे, और यहाँ पर वहाँ पर E और F idempotent थे, यहाँ पर A prime और A prime A idempotent. So there is this B prime of that element such that B prime is same as A prime. The idempotent, ये जो idempotent है ये इसके बराबर होगा, ये आपका E है, E equal to B prime. And second idempotent, that's A prime A, वो B prime B के बराबर होगा, B prime B is equal to A prime A. So this proves this part. Now its converse is very simple. जो आपने first part में देखा ना converse, जहाँ पर आपने related का देखा, तो वो transitivity से आ जाएगा its converse part. So that you will see yourself, that converse part. So this is the end of this section.